In front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now you need to click on this plus next to Search Passwords to add a new one. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear. Then tap on this switcher next to Offer to save passwords, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one, tap on this plus and input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website, or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!